Hi, I'm Pia and I'm a graphic design student who's stressing out to complete a packaging project thing. So basically, this whole semester we only did like the technical stuff. We did the designs, we did the die lines and all that stuff like theoric things. And now it's time to make the real packaging prototype, which not gonna lie sounds very fun. Apart from the fact that I have to find three exact glass bottles with the specific measurements, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I have to get ready and leave to find those three identical bottles. And before I go to that store, I only have 5 to 6 days to complete it. Plus, I have to prepare the presentation to actually present that same packaging design. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but let's pray for me and get into it. Guys, I got the bottles. The thing is, let's unbox it. But the thing is, my bottle itself was like 19 centimeters tall, but this one is 21, which makes it more difficult because I have to change the measurements of the pack and also like the sticker that you put right in here. I don't remember the name right now. So wait, if you didn't know, my concept of this packaging design is sherbet, and sherbet is basically an Indian drink that you mix with water and some essence with essence flavor. But this one is different because it's with gas. I don't know if you say gas, I mean it's with soda. You have to like, it's like a Coca-Cola but sherbet version of it. So I have to like do three of it and make the whole packaging. I'm opening this after 2 days of buying it. And you know why? Because I was literally so busy these 2 days. So I'm like more stressed out. I have from now on to Tuesday 5 days because I want to leave Thursday and no, I want to leave Wednesday and Thursday for presentation preparation. So this, now that I have the bottles, I have to change the measurements of the pack and go print it and like send it for tomorrow because I have to print it tomorrow. So today the goal is to finish editing the whole die line and all the technical stuff to be able to print it for tomorrow. But yeah, let's get into it and finish doing all the technical stuff for printing. Okay, so like literally, I haven't been able to make everything and like print it and do it. I just have so many projects going on, so like my brain is so tired. But yesterday I did like cut out these things to put in the bottle to like check out the dimensions if they are okay or not. Also with this is like it's the pack. I removed some things and see what was working and what not. Like for example, this one, it isn't fitting, so I just have to like decrease the sizes of some of the things. I removed some things in like in the die line. So now I'm going to go printing. I'm actually so excited to put it here. And also I think since the pack is quite big for like the three bottles, it might take 1 day to be able to print everything if I'm not wrong, because it's like two like double-sided, and I might go like order it right now and then fetch it tomorrow. But yes, it's been quite stressful since I haven't started yet doing those things. I also have to like paint this depending on the color of the flavor. But yeah, let's go to print. I have never printed this big. Oh my god. Like, oh my god. I literally had to print in this big paper because it was just 2 centimeters off for like the A2 thing. This is A1. I could have printed something else in the corner. I'm just so stupid. But anyways, this is what I printed the next day. Yesterday I went and I had to wait 2 hours and a half to only print the label of the bottles. And today it's what I did. I also waited like 1 hour and a half to wait for this. It has been very long days, but I will be cutting out this, making it a pack. Hopefully I don't mess up because I don't want to like pay and print again. I'm not doing that even if I mess up, to be honest. Should we cut it now? I'm scared. Okay, so I finished yesterday doing this part of the packaging. The mechanism of like opening it and standing up, the upper part is quite not ready yet, but I have to finish that. And here, right now, what I'm going to do is put like this cardboard so it has resistance to put this, glass bottles. So like I'm done, kind of. I'm done. Okay, I finished painting this thingies, which this I had like paint, and this is I did it in like marker because I don't have orange and I don't have yellow to mix like red and yellow to make orange. But yeah, I talked about the mechanism to like open and close this. Well, that's a little detail right there. I couldn't do it. Actually, a professor told me if I cannot do it, just, leave it open as it should be looking open. But yeah, the only thing I'm going to be refining before like the class is this thingy. It got like it's not straight and it's freaking me out, to be honest. It's just going why it's too fragile, so I have to like put quite a bit of glue. But I did put like cardboard inside and it's quite resistant in terms of it won't break. It won't like boo. But I have to put the sherbet here. As you can see, this is gulabi, khas, and kesar mango. This is how it's looking in the side. This is how it's looking. Oh, ta-dun. Also, don't like it as much because I thought it will be better because in the file this brown was a bit more orangish and that is why it looked a bit better, but I guess I don't know what happened, but it's more brown and I don't really like how it's combining with the green one. But it's just a prototype, so it isn't the exact thing that I was planning on a packaging, but this is how it's looking and you can like take out the bottles from up here. But anyways, I have done it in 5 days. I could have done it in less, but I just had too many things other than this to do. So it took me a bit more than I imagined. But not gonna lie, I'm proud of myself even though it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. I just have to do good in the presentation to present this. But it's not that bad. Hopefully I pass. I'm quite sure I'm going to pass. I did everything that was like needed to pass. So yeah. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my process of this beautiful packaging. I just need the thingies. I might take a photo when I do it and just put it right here. This is how it's looking. This is how it looked in the final day. Hopefully better than this. And hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.